Hey everyone, Kyle here. Today we're taking a closer look at Relay Bank, an online banking platform tailored for small businesses. Relay Bank offers unique features, and in this review, we'll cover its pros, cons, and how it stands out in the competitive business banking space. And now let's go for the pros of Relay Bank. First, Relay is great for small business owners who want more control over their financial operations. One of its standout feature is the ability to create up to 20 checking accounts. This makes it easy to separate funds for different purposes, such as taxes, payroll, or savings, without having to open multiple accounts at other banks. Relay also allows you to issue up to 50 debit cards for your team, giving your employees the ability to handle expenses while you retain full control. Each card has spending limits, giving you flexibility while managing your team's spending. Another benefit is Relay's integration with accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero, making bookkeeping a breeze. The real-time transaction syncing helps keep your finances up to date, saving you time and effort while reconciling your books. Relay Bank also offers no monthly fees, no overdraft fees, and no minimum balance requirements, making it a cost-effective solution for small businesses. Plus, you get ACH transfers and domestic wire transfers are available, though they come with a fee. And now let's discuss the cons of Relay Bank. While Relay offers many benefits, there are a few cons to consider. Relay Bank does not allow cash deposit, which may be a deal breaker if your business frequently deals with cash. You'll need to look elsewhere for a bank that accommodates this. Also, while Relay offers domestic wire transfers, it does not support international wires, which can be limiting if you work with international clients or vendors. You'll have to use third-party service like Wise or PayPal for those transactions. Another potential downside is that Relay doesn't offer traditional lending services like business loans or lines of credit. If your business requires access to credit, you'll need to find a different financial institution for those needs. And now lastly, here are the requirements to open an account. Setting up an account with Relay is pretty straightforward. You'll need to provide your business information, a valid US ID, and meet the basic requirements for business banking. Relay is open to LLCs, corporations, sole proprietors, and non-profits, making it a versatile option for different business types. That's our quick overview of Relay Bank. It's a solid choice for small businesses looking for fee-free banking and with great organizational tools. But make sure it aligns with your specific needs, especially if you handle cash or international transactions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.